it's Rich Shane with Remax, and let's talk reasons to make repairs before you sell your home. It was Anthony Liccione who said, some people will just go with the flow and sway in life, while others will fight against the current and go upstream to reach their destiny. Let's talk reasons to make repairs before you sell your home. Your home, not its flaws, will be the focus. Eliminate distractions. A well-maintained home gets better offers. Rush jobs can cost more. Actual costs and estimates don't always match estimates from an inspection. They may not always fall in line. You won't risk losing the sale. Want more ideas to help you sell your home? Give me a call. Today we celebrate National Personal Chef Day. It is the United States Personal Chefs Association that founded the day. I'm curious, what is the one summer food you look forward to each year? For me, it's the fruit. Nectarines, plums, peaches, blueberries, cherries, I love them all. Let me hear from you. What's that one summer food? I will see you next week. Have a fabulous day. Make today count.